Hey guys, this is JauntyM back with a new series. So if you're looking to get the iRobot Roomba right now, this is a great time to save some money on that because there's some Black Friday deals going on and Amazon Prime Day Roomba deals going on as well. So iRobot's line of Roomba robot vacuums are very busy homeowner's dream. Like all robot vacuums, they promise to wipe around the house automatically cleaning up life's messes. So these are the robots, and they have some discounts. Normally you have to pay a little bit more, but Roomba S9 is at $990 right now. Uh, Roomba for homes with kids is at $776 right now, and for homes with stairs, $500 to $550. And best budget Roomba is $274. Best budget Roomba without an extra filter is just about $180, and which was at $300. So this is a very good news, and right now a lot of people can actually go ahead and buy it if you were looking for it. So let me know in the comment section if you actually did buy it or not after watching this video. So that John T, I'm signing out. You have a nice day. Thank you for listening and watching.